The Sinclair Autograph Collection will be a mecca for technology and design. As a historic landmark in downtown Fort Worth, you will see a collaboration between the rich character and style of 1930s Art Deco features and the modern, high-tech features that you will only be able to experience at the Sinclair. The entrance to this historic building is anchored by the inviting lobby and lively Wicked Butcher lobby bar. Modern design greets you at our check-in pods. A historic landmark meets modern-day technology, where OLED bird light panels illuminate this gathering space. The workstation will feature a printer, USB outlets and other convenient technology. Spacious guest rooms with state-of-the-art amenities. The penthouse suite features a spacious living room and dining area. The penthouse suite features a stylish guest room with modern appointments. Grab a refreshing drink at the Wicked Butcher lobby bar. Enjoy breakfast, lunch and dinner at the Wicked Butcher lobby bar. Enjoy handcrafted cocktails and fresh shucked oysters. The Wicked Butcher bar features master-crafted cocktails. Wicked Butcher is a vibrant new restaurant concept that boldly combines a fine butcher's expertise and consummate craft with both meat and fish. Open for dinner only. The massive wine cellar offers a perfect backdrop to this vibrant restaurant concept. Walk through the wine cellar to one of two private dining rooms. Designed with an urban vibe, the Wicked Butcher provides Fort Worth a unique dining experience steps from Sundance Square. Sushi chefs prepare fresh sashimi and hand-rolled sushi, while master butchers prepare artfully crafted meals. Gather with friends or unwind while you take in a beautiful Texas sunset at our rooftop bar, serving light appetizers and desserts.